Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to call a restaurant in the Bolt Food app. But first I just want to mention, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because at 10,000 subscribers I'm going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. Open the Bolt Food app and you have to select a restaurant. Let's say this Magic Coco. And here you can see allergies and contact details. If you tap on it, here you can see the open for delivery orders, dates and hours. You can open this in the map, and here in the middle you can ask the restaurant about their ingredients and cooking methods. If you tap on call, it already inserted in your phone their number, and if you tap on, that's pretty much for this video. I hope it was helpful for you. If it was, please consider subscribing and see you in the next one.